A prompt link is a link that you can send to an affiliate, which is going to be, when they click on it, able to generate content or information which will be relevant to your affiliates. Let's say write a 500-word blog post. It could be about a new timely piece of information or any other information. But in this case, we'll just use this as an example. I'm now going to generate that post. This is what you do as an affiliate manager. Once you've generated this, you're going to be able to copy a link, and I'm going to show you that in a second once that content gets generated. So as you can see, there's the comprehensive blog post with all the information on it as per normal BoostBox functionality. Then what I can do is I can actually come to where I generated the post from, and I can click on share link. Now, once I share the link, I've copied this link to my clipboard, all ready to share with my affiliates. This is just a template email that I've written up to send to the affiliate, and then you're going to want to insert that link there. The link will be quite long because what it is it's a link to the BoostBox application, but it also includes the prompt on the end of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do it that way. I'll basically insert that link on, and I'll just say delete that and that. And we'll basically put that on here. Now I need to just put that link through. Click on here, paste the link in, and then go apply. And obviously that link is on there now. Once the affiliate receives this and they click on this link, what's going to happen is it's going to open up BoostBox. It's going to click on there, and it's going to generate that post or that prompt from scratch without the affiliate needing to do anything. Once this is generated, then obviously the affiliate can use this. Now, the thing about this is generated uniquely and different every single time. So this one here that's been generated will be different from this one here. There's a lot of different use cases you could use this for, sending updates about terms and conditions or anything else, but effectively you don't have to write all that content out and send it to the affiliate for them to be able to use it. So that's pretty much what a prompt link is.